Hi, this is a super quick walkthrough of the site summary report. The first thing you'll see if you open a site in PowerSearchConsole, there's a lot of hidden functionality, so let me quickly walk you through it. So first of all, you can select whether you look at weeks or months. You can select a period here. The chart will then show that period, but also the preceding period, so you can really understand the context of what's going on with your site. And the metrics for the period you selected are highlighted on top. Always we display trends by default versus the period before. So in this case, January is compared to December. If you want to compare January versus January last year, you can do that as well. You can just go here and select same days last year, or you can compare it against any random period you want. And then below the chart, you can actually find dimensions, is what I call them. So the first one is query, so keywords. The next one is pages. You can see your top pages, your top sections. Sections are parts of your site broken down by folder. So all the pages that are under the blog section of your site, or all the pages that are product pages, for example, countries, as well as devices. For each of these, you can click the tabs on top. So for example, if you want to see which query is actually trending up, we're getting more clicks for those queries. You can just click trending up, and the box will switch and just show you the queries that are getting more clicks than the period that you're comparing it with. There's a whole bunch of other reports. Trending down makes sense, less clicks. New, those are queries that never got clicks before. Same for pages that never got clicks before. Favorite are the ones that you actually decided to monitor by clicking the star. If you want to unstar, you can just click it again. And then there's a whole bunch of other advanced reports that you can find under more reports. So in this case, new impressions is interesting. Those are queries that don't get clicks yet, maybe, but they for the first time they're getting impressions. So those are like new keywords to monitor. Same for pages. What I like personally is like monitoring keywords that used to be in the top 3 position or top 1 position, but now lost that position. So by clicking lost top 3 position, you can find those. We only show 10 rows at a time, but if you want to see the full list, you can go to the Explorer, where you can see all data for the reports you selected. In total, there's over 45 reports that you can access this way. You can also access them by opening this popular reports sidebar. So you can find the reports there as well. Finally, there's filters, and there's ways to save your reports. Let's start with filters. So you can apply all kinds of filters here. There's a little bit less filters than in the Data Explorer. In Explorer there's even more, but here you can filter by country. There's already your top countries for your site are automatically displayed here. Devices, sections of your site, pages, the top pages are listed here, and you can also filter you do some keyword filtering as well. That's most powerful again in the Explorer report, but you can apply it here as well. And if you do that, so for example, right now we have 17,000 clicks. If I would apply a filter for only mobile traffic, you can see it actually goes down to 10,000 clicks. And all the boxes below now only will show traffic from mobile. So if I scroll down to the devices box, you can actually see only mobile is shown here right now. So that's it. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope this was insightful.